How to change name on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change name on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your name on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Instagram app. Once you launch your Instagram app, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Now you want to make sure to just tap the edit profile option here. So let me just come back, tap the edit profile option, and right here you'll be able to find your name. So all you have to do is make sure to enter the name that you want to use. Tap the arrow option. Remember to make sure to enter them correctly, because once you do it you will not be able to change it within the next 7 days, which means that as for Instagram name, you can change it twice within 14 days. If you want to change username, tap on it. This can be changed only once another 14 days. So only in 2 weeks you will be able to change the username. So depending upon what you want, don't forget to also tap this option here. Once you tap on this option, you should be able to go ahead and then basically change name on Instagram. This way you'll be able to change the name on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.